Any representative coming from Cluster 3?
Okay, once again, to receive our consolation prize para sa ato ang valid, kaya I'm sure i-inform mo sa inyong coordinators to please saka tanan sa stage kung naatali-ari ng mga players, no, para sa atong picture takings.
Ang Cluster 3, we have Barangay Sinaat, San Francisco, Pigagan, Dampalan, Mabuhay, and Pangkalibre. Congratulations.
And now, let's proceed for consolation prize from Cluster 5.
Cluster 5, we have Barangay Buena Vista.